Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Art of the Start, Turning Ideas into High-Growth Businesses. Lecture 1. In today's lecture, we will learn about Introduction, what is entrepreneurship? Characteristics of successful entrepreneurs, what are high-growth businesses? Challenges of starting and scaling a high-growth business. Conclusion. The entrepreneurial mindset, what it takes to succeed. The entrepreneurial mindset is a unique way of thinking that allows individuals to identify opportunities and take calculated risks in pursuit of high-growth success. It's about being proactive, innovative, and adaptable in the face of challenges. This mindset is critical for high-growth businesses because it enables them to stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on emerging trends. By embracing the entrepreneurial mindset, companies can foster a culture of innovation and disruption that drives growth and creates value for customers. Differentiating high-growth businesses from traditional businesses. High-growth businesses are different from traditional businesses in several key ways. First and foremost, high-growth businesses have much higher growth rates than traditional businesses. They are often able to achieve rapid growth by leveraging technology, innovation, and disruption to gain a competitive edge. In addition, high-growth businesses tend to have a higher risk tolerance than traditional businesses. They are willing to take calculated risks in order to pursue new opportunities and grow their businesses. Finally, high-growth businesses typically require more funding than traditional businesses. This is because they need to invest heavily in research and development, marketing, and other areas in order to fuel their growth. Overall, the key differences between high-growth businesses and traditional businesses. This is because they need to invest heavily in research and development, marketing, and other areas in order to fuel their growth. Overall, the key differences between high-growth businesses and traditional businesses come down to growth rates, risk tolerance, and funding needs. By understanding these distinctions, entrepreneurs can better position themselves for success in the high-growth business world. Overview of the startup ecosystem and its challenges. The startup ecosystem is a complex web of players and resources that entrepreneurs must navigate in order to build successful businesses. At the center of this ecosystem are the startups themselves, which are often small, agile companies with big ideas and limited resources. One of the biggest challenges that startups face is funding. Without sufficient capital, it can be difficult to develop products, hire talent, and scale operations. Another major challenge is talent acquisition, as startups often struggle to attract and retain top talent in the face of competition from larger, more established companies. Finally, startups must also validate their market and prove that there is demand for their products or services before they can achieve sustainable growth. Importance of innovation and disruption in high-growth businesses. Innovation and disruption are critical for high-growth businesses to succeed in today's market. Innovation allows companies to create new products of customers. Disruption, on the other hand, involves fundamentally changing an industry or market by introducing a new product or service that displaces existing players. One example of a company that successfully disrupted its industry, Airbnb. By providing an online platform that connects travelers with homeowners who want to rent out their properties, Airbnb has disrupted the traditional hotel industry. Another example is Uber, which has disrupted the taxi industry by providing a more convenient and affordable alternative to identifying opportunities for high-growth ventures. One way to identify opportunities for high-growth ventures is by analyzing market trends. By keeping a close eye on industry developments and consumer behavior, entrepreneurs can identify gaps in the market that they can fill with innovative products or services. Another approach is to identify unmet customer needs. By conducting market research and gathering feedback from potential customers, our target audience is looking for. This can help them develop products or services that address these needs and stand out in a crowded market. Finally, leveraging emerging technologies can also be a great way to identify opportunities for high-growth ventures. By staying up to date on the latest technological advancements, entrepreneurs can identify ways to apply these innovations to their own businesses and create new value for customers. Conclusion: embracing the entrepreneurial mindset for high-growth success. In conclusion, embracing the entrepreneurial mindset is crucial for achieving high-growth success. By adopting a growth-oriented approach and being willing to take calculated risks, entrepreneurs can create innovative products and services that disrupt their industries. Throughout this presentation, we've discussed the key differences between high-growth businesses and traditional businesses, the challenges that startups face in the ecosystem, and the importance of innovation and disruption. We've also explored how entrepreneurs can identify opportunities for high-growth ventures by analyzing market trends, identifying unmet customer needs, and leveraging emerging technologies.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.